All right, so let's jump into the overview of the X-Carve Pro assembly. Now the X-Carve Pro is packaged so components can be removed from the box as assembly is occurring. Now there actually isn't a need to unpack everything prior to assembly. As we go through the assembly process, you'll actually pull things out of the box as needed. So let's actually get into what's inside the box. As you open it up on the very first level, you'll notice there is a big black box, which is actually your controller, and this is like a big computer case. You also have your cross members, which are going to be parts of the support for the entire frame. You have a level, which we'll use here in just 1 minute. You've got your Z-probe, which you'll use to get the height of the bit for all of the carves that you'll have in the future. You'll see your drag chain, as well as a bunch of other cables that are spooled up underneath that. And then your HMI, which is the interface between you and the machine. You'll be using that to plug into your computer, and then a square, and then the general toolkit that you'll need to assemble everything together, including your torque wrench. And then finally, a bunch of different hardware, which is labeled individually into packages for all your screws and your bolts and your washers. So that is everything that is in the top layer of styrofoam and what we're going to be using for these next steps of assembly. Now that we know everything that is inside of the box, let's actually get to assembling your X-Carve Pro. So before we get into the assembly, just make sure you've got the space for the machine, as you can see listed here. And in the next step, we'll actually start putting things into place and start putting everything together.